Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be doing a battery drain test on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 4100 milliamp battery. For the test, we are going to be watching YouTube videos in the highest resolution via Wi-Fi with the screen display and volume cranked up to 100%. Test result may vary from person to person depending on your settings of your device. For me, I usually have my settings maxed up to really see the performance, what I will be getting when the device is completely under stress. So without further ado guys, let's find out how much battery life we can get from the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus watching YouTube videos.
Yeah.